Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 37. Dear students, let's have some activity time. More than, less than, equal. Count and write the numbers, then write M for more than, L for less than, or E for equal. In the first row, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 ducks in the left box, while there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ducks in the right box. Hence, write L in the left box for less than and write M for more than in the right box. In the second row, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 strawberries in the left box, while there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strawberries in the right box. Hence, write M for more than in the left box and write L in the right box for less than. In the third row, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers in the left and right box each. Hence, write E for equal because the number of flowers in both of the boxes is 8, which is equal. In the fourth row, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bananas in the left box, while there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bananas in the right box. Hence, write L in the left box for less than and write M for more than in the right box. Respectable teachers and parents, explain the concept of equal, more than, and less than to the children, giving simple examples from the children's immediate surroundings. Tell them that equal means equal in number. Tell them that more than means one of the two objects or sets of objects is greater in number. Tell them that lesser than means one of the two objects or sets of objects is smaller or lesser in number. Use concrete objects to make the children understand which one is equal, more than, or lesser than the other. Appreciate the children for their active participation in today's activity and clap for the most receptive-minded children. Thank you.